Is your partner lives in Australia? Then a partner visa could open the doors to a brighter future for you both. Whether you're married or in a de facto relationship, this visa is your pathway to building a life together in Australia. There are two main pathways available, one for applicants already in Australia and one for those applying from overseas. To be eligible for a partner visa, you need to be in a genuine and long-term relationship with your partner, whether you're married or in a de facto relationship. You'll also need to meet certain health and character requirements, like proof of relationship, health assessments, and character checks. Once your temporary visa is granted, you can live, work, and study in Australia while you wait for the decision on your permanent residency. And once you're approved for permanent residency, the benefits are even greater. You'll have access to Australia's public healthcare system, be able to sponsor family members, and even apply for citizenship. The application process involves several steps, from submitting your documents to waiting for approval. But don't worry, if you're ready to take the next step toward a brighter future, contact us today so that we turn your dreams into reality.